What happens if you hold in a sneeze? Well, it's way worse than you think. Sneezing can propel air at speeds of 100 miles per hour. If you block it, that pressure has to go somewhere, and it can lead to burst blood vessels, eardrum damage, or even throat injuries in rare cases. Your body sneezes to clear out irritants, so holding it in is like forcing your body to keep the bad stuff inside. Just let it out, but maybe not on someone's face. Have you ever tried holding in a sneeze? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more crazy health facts.